tell you my story now that happened at Borakot, you know. A garden city, a lovely place. Go in Thailand to Willis boy. I haven't got plenty money on me, but I was stranded in Port Harcourt, you know, child. But if I happen to enter in a pub house, about 20 guests around me. They say they like me, they love me, they love me, they love my beautiful voice. Please sing God a song, only song can do. Please sing God a song, only song can do. Mama, please sing God a song, only song can do. So many honey, but that's not what I'm looking for. I get so many lips, but that's not what I'm looking for. All I want is not a plate of money for my family. I'm not here for a pleasure trip, I'm only here for a business trip. Hey, better, Olaga, he pays so loud. Baby, mama, inasike, baby, mama, inasike, ogatelegema. Menini elo ajefo manya, ekubela mie. Menini elo ajefo manya, ekubela mie. Oh mama, I'm here for a business trip. I like that. Now listen to me. Baby, now listen. I had a landlady when I was at Enugu. I had a landlady when I was at Enugu. She want me to be her boyfriend, but I said, Mama, she's too fat for little Willie. If you happen to see my landlady, she fat like Malou. What am I gonna do if she happens to befriend my landlady? What am I gonna say if I happen to befriend my landlady? She's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer. She's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer. Sammy! She's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer. She's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna. Now listen to this, now listen. And her legs 44, waist 44, chest 44. She's 44 years old. She felt like a hunting donkey at my bedroom floor. Mama, Barbara Zeka, yeah, Barbara Zeka, Barbara Zeka. Now listen, why you? La lady, my landlady, my landlady, oh, landlady, my landlady. Now listen to this. And no. Wa akiri nwa kozo ma anyị mara ma homro funwa. Ebusaju onye ga ninye nam ne bombo yo ka kwa ya. Olo. Ibrahim Aloka ne gustana gasaba shat rasafara. Osu. Now listen Dave. Yalo sisi dey for corner. Put the hand for jaw. Waiting dey concern me. Money palava. Yalo sisi, waiting dey concern me. Money palava. Yalo sisi dey for corner. Put the hand for jaw. Waiting dey concern me. Money palava. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.